What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Lynn and this is the happiest, most magical channel. I'm so happy to see you here. Today I've got my cute peppermint Disney ears. I've got some red lippy on and I'm here to take you on a very Merry Disney holiday home tour. So let's go ahead and get this started. So at our entryway door we have these fun bells hanging off of a command hook. That way when people come and go, it plays a little song for them. So when you come into our home and look to the right, this is what you are greeted with. I love my Christmas village here. I've always wanted like a Disney Christmas village. So when we moved into our home, I was so happy that we were able to find a place to put these things. So don't mind the shoe racks. But anyways, I got these two from Value Village probably like 6 or 7 years ago. And I got this one from Lowe's and I got it on clearance after Christmas. So be sure to look at all of the holiday stuff after the holidays are over for the best deals. And then I think I got this Mickey's Toy Store building from probably Sears. Moving on up, I got this Santa with the reindeer Garland from Target. I actually got that this year, so you'll probably still be able to find them. And then I made this peppermint Mickey and Minnie with my Cricut. I used to be really big into going to paint nights, and this was the very first thing I painted when I went to a paint night. And you may have found my hidden Mickey that I put there. Moving to the top, I actually bought this wreath from Shop Disney this year, so you'll probably still be able to find it. And then I think my sister said she got these signs from Michael's a couple of years ago. Sean gave me this for Christmas a couple of years ago, maybe 8 years ago now, and I absolutely love it. I think he said he got it from Bradford Exchange. Let me turn it on for you guys. And it's so fun because each tier has like either a train or the Disney couples rotating around. You can also adjust the volume. It's so sweet. And then at the top, you've got Santa Mickey flying in the air. So this is my holiday cards section. I really wanted to have like a dedicated space to share what cards people have sent me from all over the place. I even received a Thanksgiving card this year, super cute. So here are some of the cards. I love receiving cards. I love snail mail, you guys. My sister put these 2 postcards here just to fill up the space. So yeah. I actually got these clips from Bullseye's Playground at Target and I used Command Velcro strips to hang them on the wall. One of the new things that I did this year was I created this Christmas tree out of all of the holiday cards that Sean and I have created together over the past 11 years. We've been together since 2008 and our first holiday card was from 2009. I think it would have been really cool to put these in order, but unfortunately they didn't fit right together, but that's okay. I love how it turned out. Alright, so now we are moving into the kitchen, and the first thing I want to point out is this fun Mickey topiary. Of course this came from Lowe's. And over at our sink I have this cute wreath. My sister actually ordered this from, I think the shop is called Let's Shop Magical. I will try to find the details and link it down below. She actually got that this year for us. I got these 2 things from Bullseye's Playground. Me and my niece actually did this project together. I love it so much. It's just foam. We got it from Bullseye's Playground, so it was only like $3. And then as far as holiday soap scents, we've got Crushed Candy Cane Lane right now. Alright, moving into our dining area, I created this fun little tray. I actually got this tray from Target earlier this year, and these itty bitties came from Hallmark. I got them this year, so you might be able to still find them. This candle came from Bath & Body Works, and I also got this cool magnetic snowflake that goes on top of the lid. I also got that from Bath & Body Works, but I got that last year, so I don't know if they still make them. And then I got this straw from Disneyland last year. I just loved the gingerbread Mickey on top of it. And then my mom actually gave me these candle pillars and this vase full of fun ornaments. Next to the dining area is the coffee bar. It's one of my favorite areas in the house. I love coffee, hence why I have 3 different machines here. I have the Nespresso Essenza Mini. I also have the Nespresso Next, and I also have a Keurig and a fun variety of different syrups. I added some holiday stuff like Mickey and Minnie Funko, and then these hot cocoa sets. I got these last year from Disneyland. I don't know if they're still good, but that's alright. I'm still keeping the containers because they're so cute. Next up is our living room. I'm so happy to share this space with you guys. This is my favorite area because we spend 90% of our free time here, and I always go all out. So at this end table, I have this fun Basset Hound cookie jar that my aunt gave us last year. So cute. And then I have this Mickey and Minnie Gingerbread house that I got from Shop Disney this year. One of my favorite Disney artists is Noah, and I'm so in love with this canvas that Sean got me for Christmas a couple of years ago. It's of course of Mickey and Minnie on an Alaskan adventure. So over on this side is a picture of Sean and I from our Disneyland trip back in December of 2019. Oh my god, that was one of my favorite Disney vacations ever. Seeing all of the holiday decor at Disneyland was so magical. These trees came from Bullseye's Playground at Target. This year came from Shop Disney this year. The sign down below it came from Shop Disney last year. And then I don't know why I have it set up like that, but those gingerbread Mickey and Minnie ears came from Shop Disney last year, and that sign is this year's version. I got these fun mini pillows from Shop Disney last year. They used to smell, they don't smell anymore, but this used to smell like peppermint and this used to smell like gingerbread. I got this table runner from Shop Disney last year, and I love this train set. We had to collect these individually from Hallmark, I want to say back in 2016, and you may notice that there's a button on each one. When you press them, they have 2 different songs and they all coordinate and dance together to a song. So let's press on Donald's button and see what happens. How cute was that, you guys? And right next to our train set is this little wood sleigh, and that's where we have all of our remotes. I got so excited when Lowe's started selling these Snowman Mickeys. I had to get 2 of them. So adorable. I got these plush tree and reindeer from Target a couple of years ago after the holidays, so they were on clearance. I replaced Jen and Lucy's stockings this year. These both came from Target. And I made these fun tassels at my friend Kathy's craft party last year. I got this felt ball garland from Target this year, so you might be able to still find them. Super fun. And Sean and I have had these stockings for about 5 or 6 years now. I ordered them from Shop Disney and I had them embroidered. So for Jen's stocking holder, I got this plain white one from Fred Meyer's a couple of years ago, and then I added Donald Duck since Donald is her favorite. And then I also added this fun peppermint Mickey that my friend Lauren sent me a couple of years ago. For Lucy's stocking, I used a Cricut to add a paw print to this stocking holder. And last year my cousin-in-law Tamara gave this to us for Christmas. So cute. This art print and that art print came from the Painted Mouse. And actually the very top one over here, that also came from Painted Mouse. I made this using my Cricut. And then one of my favorite Etsy shops is The Great Crafternoon. So Melissa is such a sweetheart. I asked her to cut these big Mickey and Minnie Gingerbreads, and then all I did was glued them onto a canvas so I can hang them up here as an art piece. And then that Believe sign and the Merry Christmas sign came from Target Bullseye's Playground several years ago. And I got this Mickey wreath last year from Shop Disney, as well as this countdown here. I loved how the countdown looked with the packaging background, so I ended up just leaving it in there. And behind these icons here is a number. That way you can count down to the holidays. Or count up, rather. I think most people, when they use this, is they remove all the icons and then they put them on as the day goes on. But I just love having them all on there already. I got this from Shop Disney. This actually came in a set, so it came with Chip and Dale here, and then Mickey and a reindeer. Unfortunately, this one broke in transit and they didn't have any more, so they weren't able to replace it, but it's all right. I like how it looks without the glass dome on top of it. And then this is a straw topper that I got from Disneyland last year, I think, and it blinks. Or it lights up, it doesn't blink. So my stocking holder and Sean's stocking holder came from Shop Disney several years ago. My friend Lisa sent these to me last year, I think, and they're so cute. I love them so much. I got this from Bullseye's Playground at Target. That also came from Target. These hoops came from a craft party last year at Kathy's house. And I made this sign with my Cricut. That's from Target. That's from Target. I ordered this print on eBay. And, Jingle Cruise is actually one of my favorite holiday overlay rides at Disney. And then those two signs came from Target, and then the middle Mickey and Minnie came from Hallmark. Alright, so here is our Christmas tree. I love it so much. There is a lot happening on here, and I'll just point out a couple of my favorites. So one of my favorite and oldest ornaments on the tree is this Merry Christmas sign. So Sean and I moved in together back in 2010, and this was one of our first ornaments from back in the day. And we got it at Walmart. I think it was just like $1 or something. Super special. And then I had Great Afternoon cut out some Mickey and Minnie gingerbreads so I could just throw them on the tree. I got this Aurora ornament this year. This ornament signifies when Sean and I got married back in 2011. Let me fix that. We've got Dumbo here. Disney cruise ornaments. Oh, I miss going on cruises so much, you guys. Speaking of cruises, we have this Steamboat Willie ornament. Here's a Sorcerer Mickey ornament, and it lights up. We got this Kanine Krunchies ornament this year, so cute. We got this Lady and the Tramp ornament this year. We've got Mickey and Minnie making some s'mores. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite ornaments that I got this year, the Jungle Cruise Mickey. I cannot wait to watch the Jungle Cruise movie with The Rock, hopefully next year. Here's another Steamboat Willie inspired Disney ornament. We've got R2-D2, that's Sean's favorite Star Wars character. Oh, we've got the partners over here, Mickey and Walt. Here's my girl Snow. You guys know that Snow White is my favorite Disney princess. And if you didn't, now you know. Oh, here's another one of my favorites. The Haunted Mansion. So spooky. Here is our entertainment center. Alright, so now we are in Lucy's room, aka the mud room. I just slightly decorated it this year. Alright, let me take you guys upstairs to show you our guest room. My mother-in-law comes in today and I lightly decorated it for Christmas. Alright you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed my Disney holiday home tour, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas.